What's up mga Yadz? It's another episode of Yadz Travel.
Joanna, pa-picture ko.
Not just and we're here in Simala and I'm with Feliz. Yes, actually it's a family affair.
Yes, and I'm an Arnejo now.
Yeah, so na ko andering adopted. So we will go upstairs and explore Simala. Bye. My Yadz, so pasakan na ta karon no. So I'm bringing my umbrella because it's so hot right now. So sayo kami nigikan sa amo. So it's today is August sa adlaw ron day 24. Yes, and September 8 will be the feast dere, so muna daghang kay mga tao. Yes, so I emphasis on that. So like it's Simala Moragua na siya na unahon siya tourist attraction because look at my back there, it's like a castle already, castle made for Mama Mary. So let's continue going up. Okay. Hi guys, so mostly families manadri, like group of families, and I think there's a mass going on. So malapit tayo sa entrance. Ay, sa init wing, kagabi. Alright mga Yadz, so manguli adong nami manguli. And we are going to our next destination. Watch that. So Simala, thank you so much. Nataga mo mga pag-ampo madungog.
A few moments later.
Hi guys.
Hello, sir.
We are now in our next destination here in Maayo, Argao. Let's check it out.
Lapop lang. Kaon lang.
We're now here at Maayo, Argao, and I'm going to give you a house tour of our villa. So first I'm gonna show you the entrance. So this is the entrance, and let's do the house tour. chambe chambe, chambe chambe, chambe, eh, eh, eh. Oh. It's very hayag. Oh.
Bayang magiliw. Bayang magiliw. Perlas ang silang.
Why do you open the blinds?
Black.
Okay. Sige na, dance na. Chambe chambe, chambe chambe, chambe. Magbong ka dala chambe. Hi, what's up mga yads? So, karon man na may pahuway. And we are going to the pool right now to explore more facilities here in Maayo, Argao. So, at my back day mga guys are mga say tawag niya day row houses. Mga rooms.
Mga rooms.
Yes, but we are staying in a villa. There's our villa right there. Sure. Villa right there. And we are waiting for the shuttle to make us hatod to the pool area. Right? So ready na yung mga outfit that I back. So we are going to the pool area.
Oh, ihatag pa rin na? Or magbakloy ra to? Bakloy ra, sure.
What? What bike
Oo
mas
naman
kuya?
to.
Oh, sige.
No, 2,000 steps.
Okay.
Mag-backlight dapat kay
So, di lang yung
10,000
pa
steps.
kuhan sa shuttle. We will gamit BMW. You know what's BMW is?
Baklay muna.
No.
Wakal ach.
By means of walking. Char.
Oh, see? Parehariya pag mini.
Oh,
Baklay
baklay.
muna, wakal ach.
Wakal M's. So,
A few moments later.
alright mga yads, so we're finally here at the pool area. So madungog ni mo ang waves sa mga dagat. And here's the gazebo. Busy na kasi lag picture dito. Yes. Oh, look at that at my back. Oh, it's nice. So I'm here at the gazebo. Guys, let's show kayo lang tiles. Mura siya pang Santorini. Awa. No? So lish. Greece kaya ang dating. Moroccan, Greece, Mediterranean ang dating dari. And this one, look at the back. Wow, diba? Kung ano kayang feel, so Mediterranean, so Mediterranean. Okay, so we'll be going to their main lobby. At my back is the pool. Yes, that is the pool, guys. So we'll be checking out that one later. And bisa na katong mga mashisig pictures sa fountain area. Yes, 9 kay ang fountain area. Kuan ka siya, maka-grease. Lakas maka-grease ang dating. Diba? So, look like we're in Greece. We're in Santorini. So, ma-expect nyo dyan mi na heavy pictorials na dyan mi dari. Okay. So, tumamam siya sa layo. Check. Back. Busy na kayo sila dito. Sige. Mapapictures akong mama, guys. So, bye. Hi, guys. So, it's now golden hour and means Aurahay na. So, back. Thank you so much, Joanna, our official photographer. Sa dyan na kamot tuwad-tuwad para ma-achieve ang mga IG posts ni Mamshi. And we're here at the viewing deck where you can see an overlooking view of the whole clubhouse. So, there is the gazebo. There is the pool. And behind us are the houses. Sumurag ang Maayo Argao within na subdivision. Muna siya. So you see, so amos ang isolito ng golden hour para daghan kami ma-post. And then mag night swimming mi kandas G's rang pool. Human man udtod ay manihapon din mi. Okay you guys, let's see if I can video our night swimming later. Happy long weekend you guys. Bye. Hi guys. So
Nice diri do ang view.
yes. So update, nangaligo na mi karon. Obvious ba?
Di masyadong obvious.
Di masyadong obvious na nangaligo na mi. So we are enjoying our pool, our pool fest because it's a freaking long weekend. And oh, diba? Pwede mag-float. Sige, ato na siyang videohan. Sinisi.
I'm gonna teach you how to doggy.
But you're against the light, bitch.
Teach me how to doggy. Doggy swim.
Okay, let's do that.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hello.
Arneho sister number 3.
Hi to our friends. Back in the Philippines.
Kumusta na kayo dyan? Tsaka ang arte-arte.
Ang ganda talaga dito sa
Miss na namin ang Pilipinas.
sa Greece.
Miss na namin ang danggit. Pancit
Selection.
canton. Itlog maalat.
Itlog na pula.
Tama
Itlog
na,
na
Day.
itim.
Ang itlog na maalat.
Itlog na kayo manggi.
Manigas-nigas.
Okay. Mag-challenge ta, day.
Tama na challenge.
Yun sa'yo pinakataas o utong.
Dili pa sila. Yeah, di sila mo.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Apilas doon na.
Sige.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wala. And the winner is... Masaka mo na ko mo.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Ano mo unload?
Ganito rin balik garo eh. Marami na kakabot sa sunset eh. Oh my god! Nadi pa light si Mayor dari. Na-shock me guys. Nadi ako pa light si Mayor dari.
Kala mo
Oh.
kung ano.
Kala namin ano.
Kita sa ilang.
Yes, there. Oh. Diba? Hindi namin akalain na may mga ganitong bagay pala dito. Mga pailaw. Parang Pasko lang. Pero na dyan may crush kaya mo gana siya dito. Ate asa to.
Tara. Ate girl, hinahanap ka na ni Amsterdam, uwi ka na raw. Kami nang bahala kay kuya.
Kanang nasa mong luyod dyan. Gwapo kay siya dyan. Na siya uyab dyan.
Yes.
Saan sa man dyan?
Actually, kana si ate girl, kana siya. Di pa pauli na siyang mama.
O dyan.
Opo siya si Amsterdam.
Manawagan mo sa mama.
Yes. So ate girl, kami na bahala ka bebe boy.
Yes, sunduan na siya ni Dres Maayo, Argao. Okay, now na dayon.
Nananawagan kami sa mama ni ate girl.
Kasi now na.
Yes.
Nasa ka ko i-zoom no.
Di man makita.
Ma-zoom.
Pero
Anyways.
salit na lang na mga gwapo ginasa.
Yes.
Wala
Well, anyways, I'm gonna let you see our... Asa kong palights ko natabunan? Ito yung mga palights ni Mayor. Sa mga... Ay, bete! Pero continue gapon na siya. Laban na gapon.
Nawais ako.
So, continue swimming, guys!